or a shampoo bottle in the ass. Yeah, did anything get stuck in your rectum? If not, don't feel bad. Oh no, Taffy. Elvie went thinking that way. When I was in nursing school, I had a friend who was doing their rotation in the emergency room, and they encountered many patients who came in with things stuck in their butt. This is why you should use the light bulb in my ass lit up when you suggested that. Do we need to say the "Don't you put it in your mouth" song? Don't you put it in your mouth. Don't you stuff it in your face. Though it might look good to eat, like a muffin or a beet, you could get sick. Ick. Real quick. Ick. Real sick. Real ick. Yeah, there's an entire industry that makes things specially for putting inside yourself. So, like, just use that. Use those. They're probably safer. And make sure whatever you're using is compatible with the lube that you're using. It's very important. Okay? Okay. Good talk. I hear it happens so much. The doctors and nurses always say, if you're going to stick something in your ass, at least have a base to it so you can pull it out. Yeah, it has to have a flared base. Otherwise, it will get stuck. And, like, I know that people always think that, oh, it's not going to happen to me. But, like, think about the time and money and embarrassment you would save if you just, like, it's way less embarrassing to order a toy online for the proper usage than it is to go to the emergency room with something that you shouldn't have stuck in your ass. Me with my 10-inch dragon dildo. What do you mean I can't eat this? Oh, it cracked. Jesus. Okay. Oh, my glasses are so dirty. How do my glasses get so dirty? I'm not even touching my face. Okay, I kind of don't need to draw the rest of the dress, I think. No, you bozo.